Hi everyone! Today, we'll take a look at how to replace the drive wheels on our various motors. They all follow a similar process. First, let's check out the drive wheel on the AM25. Use tweezers to insert into the gap of the clip, then push outwards with force, and the clip will pop out. After that, you can remove the drive wheel and replace it with another side. Next, let's look at the AM25 ESCZ motor. It supports 3 different drive wheels. The first drive wheel fits a 28mm tube and doesn't need an idler wheel. Just attach the drive wheel directly to the motor shaft and snap the clip in place. Then, we'll remove this drive wheel and replace it with another one, which fits a 38mm tube. You can also replace it with another drive wheel using a similar method. All AM25 motors follow a similar process. AM25 Zigbee motor, AM25 ESC, AM25 Wi-Fi motor, and AM25 12 volts RV motor. They all can fit these 3 types of drive wheels. So, if the motor you receive doesn't fit your tube, feel free to contact us for a free replacement drive wheel.